Ethernet is a family of wired computer networking technologies commonly used in local area networks, metropolitan area networks, and wide area networks. It was commercially introduced in 1980 and first standardized in 1983 as IEEE 802.3. Ethernet has since been refined to support higher bit rates, a greater number of nodes, and longer link distances, but retains much backward compatibility. Over time, Ethernet has largely replaced competing wide LAN technologies such as Token Ring, FDDI, and RCent. The original 10 base 5 Ethernet uses coaxial cable as a shared medium, while the newer Ethernet variants use twisted pair and fiber optic links in conjunction with switches. Over the course of its history, Ethernet data transfer rates have been increased from the original 2.94 megabit per second to the latest 400 gigabit per second, with rates up to 1.6 terabit per second under development. The Ethernet standards include several wiring and signaling variants of OSI physical layer. Systems communicating over Ethernet divide a stream of data into shorter pieces called frames. Each frame contains source and destination addresses and error checking data so that damaged frames can be detected and discarded. Most often, higher layer protocols trigger retransmission of lost frames. Per the OSI model, Ethernet provides services up to and including the data link layer.